In this video, I will show how to find quickly duplicate values in your Microsoft Excel 2 column or multiple columns. So select your data, then conditional formatting. Here you have to click this duplicate values. Then select a duplicate and here select the color code like green fill with dark green text. Then click on OK. Or select any another color to find out duplicates. Similarly, you can find out unique. So same here. Highlight cells rule, then duplicate values, and here select unique and select any color code. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.